Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Nurses Hub podcast. My name is Philip. I'm an nurse by background, and I am the host. This episode is for all nursing students out there, whether you're already in school or you are even thinking of applying. This is for you. The topic is what to expect in nursing school. What nobody will tell you is that nursing is a fast-paced environment that needs all your time, needs all your attention. It goes beyond just learning to give medication. You juggle between lectures, labs, clinical, and your personal life. I want to show you what to expect in nursing school. One is you are going to develop a strong relationship with coffee and compression socks. So in the nursing school, you want to learn burn the candles overnight because there is a lot of lectures, a lot of things put up for you to accomplish, and you will need coffee and compression socks. You are going to wear your socks almost every time you are going to learn in areas that there are a lot of mosquitoes. You realize that you will need these socks to keep you free from mosquitoes. What you also have to know is that your group members may or may not appear in your group works. This is true because there is a lot of group presentations that as a nurse or a midwife, you are going to be tasked to do. And sometimes you go and your group members, most of them do not show up. It is a reality that you have to expect as well. And then you will question your life choices at least once per semester. This is also a reality. When they start with the anatomy, the physiology, the pharmacology, and all the courses coming up, you ask yourself, did I really make the right choice in nursing school? You are going to meet that. And then you will also witness body fluids that you didn't even know they exist. These are some of the things you are going to see. There are great tips you need to know as a nursing student or somebody who is thinking into going into the nursing school that is going to help you. I have been there. I know how it works. And that is why I am passionate about this episode, to give you tips so you can excel in your career. So the first tip that I'm going to give to you is time block your schedule. So in the day, schedule your time, make an appointment for yourself. So you have specific time that you want to listen to lectures. You may have video or audio lectures you want to listen to. Specific time you want to do group studies. Specific time you want to watch clinical skills. You will have to do this, group your time, your tasks according to the time designed for it. This is so helpful because it helps you to plan your time well and to manage your time at every point in time. You know what you are going to do. Continue with this even if you think a day didn't go very well for you. The second tip is don't try to memorize, but understand the why. As a nursing student, there are many things you are going to learn. If you want to memorize, it's going to be too difficult for you. You are going to miss the understanding. Sometimes when you sit in the exams, you get what we call thought block, and you don't even recall what you have memorized. What will help you is to understand the why. Why is this happening that way? When you understand, you know what to do. Let's say, for example, shock. You have to understand what shock is, what happens when somebody or a patient is experiencing shock. When you understand these physiologies, you'll be able to know the signs and the symptoms and how to even manage patient who is in shock. But If you memorize it, it's difficult for you because if you forget your line, everything will go. So in the nursing school, focus on understanding the why, how it happens, rather than memorizing it. One tip that is also very helpful is to find your people. Nursing school is difficult when you want to work independently. It will be difficult for you. What you have to do is to form study groups, find people that are interested in studying and they are interested in studying with you. Form small study groups that you'll be able to meet. Sometimes the lectures that will be given to you might even be difficult for you to understand. But when you have your group studies, ideas coming from your peers will enable you to get the concept very well. So forming groups to study is one of the cardinal tips that I will recommend for you. And then advocate for yourself. It is also very important. If you feel overwhelmed, speak up. Talk to somebody. Talk to your lecturer. You can talk to advisor, a counselor, somebody that you can trust. Even your peers. You need to speak up because the emotional task associated with being a nursing student is so huge. Even in the clinical setting, sometimes you may meet staff or patients that are very difficult, their relatives that can put you down. And you need to be your own advocate. You need to speak up, try to find help if they need be, and it's going to help you. And then the last tip that I will give you is to celebrate small wins. This is also very important. When you have a quiz and you pass, you do well in quiz, you do well in presentation, you need to celebrate these small achievements. They are very powerful and they are going to help you and they're going to motivate you to always keep up with what you are doing. I want you to share this video with your colleagues, like, share and subscribe, and to click the notification because I am bringing you many tips that will help you as a nursing student. My name is Philip once again, and this is the Nurses Heartbeat. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.